Hi everyone, welcome to daily practice. In this video, we are going to discuss solution of this question. So do watch this video till end. Do subscribe it. And before watching this video, you try to solve this question on your own as a practice. And if you have any doubt, you can watch this entire video. You can watch this video and get your doubts clear. So let's begin solution of this question. A table of value of f g f dash and g dash is given. So this is the table with the values of f of x, g of x, f dash of x and g dash of x for different values of x, which is 2, 4 and 6. So using this table and this given function r of x is equal to g of 3 plus fx, we have to calculate the value of r dash of 4. So this r dash of 4, what does it mean? It is value of function r dash of x at x is equal to 4. Now this r dash of x is derivative of function r of x, and this r of x is given to us in this question. So what we will do, we will first write this given function, which is r of x is equal to g of 3 plus fx. Now, to find the value of r dash of x, we will differentiate this function with respect to x. So, differentiate this given function with respect to x. What we will get? R dash of x is equal to, now this g of 3 plus fx is a composite function. So, we will use chain rule over here. So g of 3 plus fx, derivative derivative of this function will be g dash of 3 plus fx. Now as per chain rule, I will multiply this function with derivative of 3 plus fx. So derivative of 3 plus fx will be, derivative of 3 will be 0 plus derivative of f of x will be f dash of x. So 0 plus f dash of x will be f dash of x. So in this way, we have differentiated this function using chain rule. So now what we have to do? We have to find the value of r dash of x at x is equal to 4. So what we will do? Put x is equal to 4 in above equation. What we will get? R dash of 4 is equal to g dash of 3 plus f of 4. What we have to do? Replace this x with 4. So this f dash of x will become f dash of 4. In this way, we have differentiated and substituted value of x is equal to 4. Now we have to use this table to find the value of f of 4 and f dash of 4. Now this f of 4 means it is the value of function fx at x is equal to 4. So for f of x at x is equal to 4, the value of f of 4 will be 3. So we will put this value over here. So what we will get? 3 plus f of 4 is 3 into f dash of 4. Now f dash of 4 means the value of function f dash of x at x is equal to 4, which is 5. This is fx, values of fx, and we need value of fx at x is equal to 4. So at x is equal to 4, the value will be 5. It's 5. So we will put that 5 over here. Now what we will do? We will simplify this further. So what we will get? R dash of 4. R dash of 4 is equal to this g dash of 3 plus 3 is equal to 6, means g dash of 6 into 5. So value of g dash of 6 means it is the value of function g dash of x at x is equal to 6. So value of g dash of x at x is equal to 6 is 7. So we will put that 7 over here, 7 into 5. Therefore, r dash of 4 will be 7 5 is 35. So in this way, we have calculated the value of r dash of 4. I hope you have got this. So if you have understood the solution, give it a thumbs up and share this with your friends. And do not forget to subscribe our channel. And if you have a doubt, do post it on our Facebook and Instagram pages. So see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.